Hello friends, today I'm gonna do my toenails. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. I'm preparing these a little bit and slightly push the cuticle and the side skin. I've never grown my toenails and today I will keep them short as always. I will do nail art without any nail extensions. If you are my regular viewer, then you know that this is going to be my second time. When I first time did these, I kept them with extensions, but today I decided to go without any length. Here I am applying the thin layer of base coat and focusing on the side skin area as well. All the fingers are very close to each other, so I wrapped and rolled a tissue paper and placed it between the fingers to keep them separate. Once the base coat and all preparations are done, now I will apply matte coat on all the nails. Because the design which I have for the inspo has the matte surface included. For keeping my side skin protected from any gel, I will use this product which is like latex or something peel off type. I use this product only when I have to work with sponges to create ombre design on half nail. I'm carefully applying it on the skin, and if you have this, please make sure you apply it with a good thickness. Do not apply it very thin. It will not work like that. It's air dry liquid and you don't have to need any UV light on this. It will keep safe your skin from the gel layers. But I am giving you one advice that please do not apply it regularly. If you can work without it, avoid it because these all are chemicals. After this step, let's move to the nail art part. Because today I'm gonna show you my new purchase. I took the sponges for ombre and look at this. I bought the cream gels for my new nail arts. Let's open it and see. First of all, I love all the shades. I can use them in different ways. But for this nail art, I'm gonna go with this pinkish nude shade. The consistency is so thick of these paints. Remove the excess on the glass surface and I'm ready to make the ombre nails first time with cream gel paints. I really wanted to take the black shade for this ombre effect, but I also have to save the black and white shades because I don't have those very much in my gels collection. You can see the quality of this paint, like this is the only one coat and look at the coverage. I was watching these for a long time but I could not bought because this palette is really expensive. Now I have this and I'm so happy. Next, I took my one and only silver 90 cat eye gel polish and apply a very good amount of to get the perfect desired look. I almost cut all the parts where I was adjusting the magnetic particles because I did not practice that and I don't use this regularly, so they took very long time to get in the right place. And honestly, I'm trying my best to get the inspo ombre look of cat eye, but it's okay if I don't get it this time. I will practice more and more. One day I will become a pro in this too. I wish. I'm showing you left toe and doing the other one in off camera because it's really uncomfortable for me to sit in this position for long time. Only one step is left and before that I am removing this peel of liquid. You can see that how well it protected my skin from the gel layers. I will clean my nails with acetone and make sure I removed all the side layers of gels and liquid. Now it's time to do the last and most important step, which is application of non-wipe top coat. And this is the final look. Hope you like this simple nail art design. See you in my next video. Bye.